In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to navigate and use the admin portal of your Teams account. Once your Teams plan is active, go to Settings at the bottom left under your profile. You will be directed to My Account, where you can check your subscription and agent credits usage. Then select Manage My Subscription to view all details. From here, you can update or cancel your subscription. To manage your team, click on My Team, and you'll be able to check how many seats are used, how many are available, and other key details at a glance. You can start inviting members either by entering their email or copying the invite link to share. Once an invite is accepted, you can assign roles to each member. The owner can add, remove, and change the roles of both members and admins. Admins can also add, remove, and change the roles of members and other admins. However, members do not have access to the admin portal. They can only use the shared Teams account. That's it! You're now ready to manage your Teams account with ease.